This might look like a sharp and dangerous instrument, but it's actually quite dull at the moment. Today we're going to change a blade and get up close and personal with our rotary cutters. Today we have two styles of rotary cutters, one with a clip assembly and one with a nut assembly. To take apart the clip assembly, simply place a stabilizing hand on the far side of the rotary cutter and unclip. To take apart the nut assembly, unlock the blade, unscrew the nut, and voila! Once you have the blade separated from the handle, you need to clean the blade guard. I like to use a can of air, and a couple quick spritzes, you get rid of all the fuzz. For any finishing touches, or if you simply don't have a can of air, a cleaning cloth does nicely. Once clean, you can remove the old blade. Be sure to dispose of the old blade in the original packaging. Once you're ready to reassemble, put the blade back on the spoke, all the way through, and reclip. Now you might notice this blade looks very oily. That's a feature, not a flaw. The oil helps lubricate for even and smooth cutting experience. So once the blade is assembled, we're just going to remove the excess. For the last little bit of oil removal, simply cut up the tissue and we'll get any oil left over on the other side. Good, clean fun. And to reassemble the nut assembly, take the blade over the spoke, be sure not to over tighten the nut as it might bind the blade. When rotary cutting, always remember to keep your fingers away from the edge. Good. Bad. Good. Very bad. Quilting shouldn't have any rules, but safety should. Rule number 1 is to respect the blade. Never cut towards yourself. And if you drop your rotary cutter, don't try to catch it. Just step out of the way. I have gotten so used to doing this that in my kitchen at home, anytime I'm cooking and I drop something, I shatter that bowl because I just step out of the way. Finally, remember the ABCs of rotary cutting. Always be closing. Thanks so much for watching.